Did you know that fennel seeds have been used for thousands of years, not just for cooking, but also for their impressive health benefits, including aiding digestion and reducing inflammation? Fennel seeds have gained a lot of attention in recent years for their potential health benefits, and it's not hard to see why. From boosting digestion to reducing bloating, these tiny seeds have been touted as a natural solution to a range of common health issues. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries in cooking and herbal medicine. Native to the Mediterranean region, they've been a staple in Italian, Greek, and Middle Eastern cuisine for thousands of years. Not only do they add a distinct anise-like flavor to dishes, but they're also packed with nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. The health benefits of fennel seeds are numerous. For one, they can aid digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. This makes them a natural solution for bloating, gas, and indigestion. Additionally, fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Some studies have also suggested that fennel seeds may have a balancing effect on hormones, particularly for women. The anti-inflammatory properties of fennel seeds may also have a broader impact on overall health. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, fennel seeds may help mitigate this risk. Furthermore, the fiber content in fennel seeds can help support healthy blood sugar levels and even aid in weight management. Fennel seeds may also have antioxidant properties, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. And some research suggests that fennel seeds may even have a positive impact on respiratory health, particularly for people with conditions like asthma. According to a renowned nutritionist, fennel seeds are a simple and effective way to support digestive health. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. In summary, fennel seeds are a nutritional powerhouse with a range of potential health benefits. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation, these tiny seeds pack a big punch. We'd love to hear about your experiences with fennel seeds. Have you used them to aid digestion or reduce bloating? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy eating and natural remedies, be sure to check out our other videos on health and wellness.